Exploring the phrase, short out. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, short out. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also be able to use it confidently in your conversations. Let's get started. Short out originates from the world of electricity and electronics. A short, or short circuit, occurs when there's an unintended connection between 2 points in an electric circuit. This can cause a surge of electricity, which might lead to damage or malfunction. When something shorts out, it means that a device or circuit has experienced a short circuit, leading it to stop functioning properly. In everyday English, short out can be used metaphorically. When someone says their brain has shorted out, they don't mean an actual electrical malfunction. Instead, they're expressing that they're feeling overwhelmed, confused, or unable to think clearly. It's as if the normal pathways of their thoughts have been disrupted. For example, I had so much to do today that my brain just shorted out. I need a break. When she asked me that unexpected question, I shorted out for a moment and didn't know what to say. 1. Context is key. Make sure when you use short out, the context makes it clear whether you're discussing an actual electrical problem or using it metaphorically. 2. Pair with descriptive words. When using it metaphorically, pairing short out with descriptive words can help clarify your meaning. For example, my mind completely shorted out when I saw the surprise. 3. Not to be overused. Like many idioms and phrases, it's best not to overuse short out in conversations. It's most impactful when used occasionally and in the right context. And there we have it, a deep dive into the phrase, short out. Whether you're discussing electronics or the intricacies of the human mind, this phrase can be both fun and descriptive. We hope this video has illuminated its meanings for you, and you now feel ready to incorporate it into your English vocabulary. Until next time, happy learning!